I'm Justin Coetzee. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called GoMetro and part of the FlexEV team that is introducing the first electric minibus to South African shores, launching in 2026. We're here at the uYilo e-mobility summit to talk about the value chain and how South African industry and South African skills can be put to use in the coming EV industry that's being developed as we speak. I think what's very important, where a lot of speakers have spoken about African solutions for African problems, and what we see right now is a lot of imports of things that have worked in other countries, whether that's Europe, whether that's China, concepts at work and products at work and value that is created. However, we face unique challenges as Africans and as South Africans in particular. And so we need to protect our industry, we need to support our manufacturing sector, and we need to really look at African solutions for African problems. And that's where we've come in, where we are working with some Chinese manufacturers, we're working with South African local charging companies, we're working with local engineering companies to develop a charge hub concept for minibus taxi ranks to be able to charge at a rank, and then have an electric minibus that can go the distance, it can last the 10-15 years that's needed, and can really serve the need of the community. What we're seeing is real excitement and adoption by the taxi industry, real excitement for what's coming, and being able to move from dirty diesel, dirty emissions and fuel injectors, high cost of maintenance, high inconvenience, to cleaner, smoother, faster travel, cheaper costs and cheaper running costs, the industry that's music to their ears. What we've got to do is have local manufacturing, local assembly and local beneficiation so that we can be competitive in this market at a price point that makes sense, as well as have government and industry support for the entire value chain that goes with it. That's vehicles, chargers, batteries, repair, panel beating. There's a huge value chain that can be unlocked if we have the right policies and the right strategy. We can't let the EV revolution happen to us. We've really got to be part of it.